globally tia timere Europe America kano kane so mano bedo yik apire dit twal ame obedo campaign ame lao pero obedo ame pe obedo ye donc tinene telawa me lira city Dr. Jendo Tengo chiera me da obedo coordinator me PLU lao kan o welo jami amite me neno ni ng'wech me kwero nywale Muhoozi pima hapiere bichario otimere diri chieng' chabit donc pima no wano luongo lwak malao me diri beda tie e roma pol nywe wela pol i Mayor's Garden kwena jachako ng'wech ye donc wano mito puoyo otela wa melao pien wana chalo lao pedo honura modong chien pien gini tia timere kabedo duchu rok duchu tia ng'wecho ta en MK birthday run ni okelo note pien tia timere pokopati mara ame jo tikeri kom MK tirwa mamalo enomio wan luang malao tiu kwayo ni jo miero bin diri me wana obediye da tia geno ni among the regions ameti Uganda ni tiu geno ni lao ename alanyo polewa kamenwa bedo iyume ena bedo Kampala piande no lwa tikeri miri atek total en kits ame atela wa Dr. Jen Owilo danga maro remo jo eto atia kobone miri ni tun chon mawere nuong mawere jo kwani kina jo ame participating in MK birthday run very big part of the history tien mano bedo tien ma ko kwong ame luak melao participating i roma malo me kwero nywale MK man nang pe obedo ka ng'wech chiken ento kitaneno kere MK birthday run tie me noto nywale me Uganda yen kaneno kitame luak tiu bino kere miri kaneni Western Central Karamoja Buganda jo tilwahe ameti kere miri me note karachiel meneno ni birthday run ni ong'wechere dang timere roma malo enka tekelo giname oluoni note da giname oluoni patriotism ni enen tiu chahere no giname oluoni pan africanism me enarem tueni enen no pien ka wan lao da odong chieno ko nupetia ber donguro ni rong melao miero beri ginni pien adugi mere ubedo note kere wan luag melao miero duok poch boto telawa aneno Rebecca Mugo tema ambassador me Ethiopia dang oworo kuno da wilo kits meneno ni bedo participate ye ati kere genne jo me Leptong abino atela chiel na neno kuno regional vice chairman me NRM Itumala me Uganda Dennis Samson Obua aneno da wore office kuno da procuring kits ame mahokop me MK don akwayo leaders ukena me lao kana me pero wor kuno ginang miero wot kuno me robet part of the event apoyo
following development me General Muhoozi Kainerugaba birthday run man po beda chaki me kuri yubani beda tie Uganda kan mwaka kuri ngwechi beda tie me achel tie me raising man loni charity nungi noro ke to kara chel ke konyo ke restoring hope pod jo ame gen pe bodgi enami mwani jota koni run for the change and be the change meaning ni wan do you too much kere mirni okela la mara be society wa can be politically and otherwise so jo do tia bino kara chen mene ni ngwecho tuma be laudang miru ngwechi pien mano bedo national event me de kere dan wan miru celebrating atela wa wano ngia be ni General Muhoozi Kainerugaba ena metelo dul moy me Uganda and since enogam leadership me moy could be corruption you could not hear in the force. And those who have attempted to be corrupt in the forces are facing rough. And this, me was celebrating. May I tell successor as a commander, may I successors as a leader, may I declare. Achala tela me tamni Uganda, mi worenyi. Tija mapola me no tiu initiative. Mengwe chatia worenyi. May I tell kero jo karachiel position, tia me onote karachiel ingwechi. O tikere jo ape dule pe jenu government, tu not ingwechi. otike in the national friends of Uganda tida nothing white donc achalo hotela me party kene jo believing in PLU is part of us one time when you mobilizing lango we digni chawa para renushu anungo be assembly time ajo arwate kede mayor's garden commissioner the office of the president Melira city honorable Amy Lawrence Egole and abino flagging off me wan ne chako ngwai da ya yum ni atia nungu kol achala tera me party o megi wa me UPC they are calling o kwanyo kiti kwene I want to congratulate them your FDC ti agoyo chimo kwanyo kiti kwene abe dang poyo gi na people power dang nuk ti da goyo chimo la kwanyo kiti kwene ada mer ni apuogi pien ka yero tumu ko Uganda dong te ber me waduju ameka ginoro ti aber wan mir not chingwa ye bangwe chire wan ku mutu ngwa chalo nywale me Uganda me koni atela wa has delivered the results ada wan tu not me celebrating ada na kwa jo amero bino ko ba jo wa yam ani yang ni jo te bino ba se sario ada mir ni apuogi as leaders of the party at the district me yam ke the city ke dong la lor otire me jo logi ya dang yom ni coordinator wa me PLU la lor man Dr. Jen has opened a heart to support this initiative kita jota gamne duju ti free of charge ngata da wacho lu chene ye petie mare no timo pien mir mer dang tini jo mer should participate in national event barakiti lao should be identified eno mi Dr. Jen te kwanyi gi chien na pire te kuni wa wili lao should also be identified. I also want to encourage our leaders kada yini tikre capacity you know that will be constituency ni you know that will be district nero pi wano yam yi wa yomi Dr. Jen do okwanyo wako wana do kwanyi kanu so jo wa me yam digi chawa par yenusu don witie ma chakre cha chiel ediku wandu beda tie pien manda po beru ka ngwa chaken me are yut kom da tie pien ka yire ole no ma shots ko chwe fitness de beda tie pien pressure gini tie bino pien wan peru to exercise so it's not only politically but also beru ko me yut kom da wan miru te achalo gina pien te apoya
neno kala de megina chani meyo bo kwera dit tamati na de man de ni MK Bazeran ana kwa yiro bicho beta wenyu wani wan po dong chen yen ginu jati mere Uganda loro kitamo mina jako buko kede pola kare ka ginu jati mere bere inang ber part of it to kin pe dong chen yote di mare wi de po yichendo jo wor kanyi ilao kan jam por do ti mere ma ko ko logo apoyo kai kwa history wa mo hapira bichel wi ari ba jaga mo ken lao ti chata hiya da wan te ka ko wodo mak di yo ma ho dongere e kare kare moro kira me history ko ke kare me ke mabin lao ti chata e kata mi walungu victory tare mo lo chara chara ti Uganda amano tu ni cha dong generation noro ubinda ho kelo ku Uganda wan no pimo hapira ngwen twan me kale ne mo ni en generation mo kelo ku mo hapira ngwen kara jo ken meri ho beri yeri to tikaro so mi alo ni chani jo wa yot amete winyu wa amete ko ping dut melao ni chawa ni kan mo wano to wor ya la moro ama ya ma ti mena dong mio MK Baziran pero gina pina tag e wani participating ine karo ken ka pe go nyo ne no tiene na yo ken tam ni karo ken ne kadi mo ba ya mi wata lo ken ame ya kina jo me ti are yo ten gi meta Uganda yo nga pa aduong yuer Museveni wang jo ken tene na ha en ngata waro wodi bazde me nyo ni MK do mi Baziran pero gina pina tag me ina participating ine karo ken karo wan po bele tie akadi mo ba nyo te we ko tela me Uganda NMK didn't want to be a part of it. And pebera mi ka do di ma wana wore gamete mora ma bidin yin biru baro wanya. Yo kwa ye jodu cheme tie ka bra pa. O ma hegu por ko wa. O ma nem pi wa mele city. Be ngara chela mo ye ra meti ala yo MK fan. Ame wono be position adi to one. Do biru wa di hime participating ngweta di hini. Mi wano mi en tuon goku. Be ka do di ma na wo lo. Kara chel kere one birthday. Me ko ni la o down mi support. Duti anen kara le. Yo kwa ye di ka to were ka ti winwa. Bin wano ponga do lo ka pero lo na Kampala ke jote ko buchani ke wano nge ni Kampala ko ni karo ken jote jona he kunu wana mana na ko jobo ko ano ken pe mar do ngone to e wano ma bolo ko pasen adong pasen ke bolo ya so man be cha me to pe ku wano bolo kun ka wana biro ponga tag no wana to sending message ko ni wana wana supporting MK o mi ka do di ma go moro por luwan pela ma ko yi wan no beru kana mo te ya jo na te chu kara chiel ke wa ana poyo ya yo mo jolo yo binu beru de kara chiel poyo mata
joined by my colleagues, Mr. Lang Bismarck, Administrative Secretary Moyam, Mr. Chen Jacob, whom you all know, and Isaac, and our Administrative Secretary. And at Yuka Nachalo, Assistant District Election Officer, Mepatme NRM, Benera City. First of all, Ulungu, me Binu, me Kobilwak, ni Duong General Muhoozi, a birthday run narrative Bihin and Herberu and at an attaining hedge memoir here. So to begin with, allow me to thank General Kenon Gaba Muhoozi for having attained the age of 52 years. It is extraordinary, it is powerful, it is beautiful. We congratulate you. As a people of Lango, we want to say you have done your best. Not very many people can reach that age, but you have struggled and made it. That is part of a great success. The birthday run is coming at a time which is really needed. It is a time where physical exercise leads in the health sector. Kama mi fighting to a poll komi related of physical exercise, and that is really the objective of the birthday run. Secondly, we are saying please come and run for hope, because Uganda will be better than today, tomorrow. Our tomorrow as Ugandans will be better than today, meaning in the hands of General Muhoozi, we are very safe, and we have a lot of hope in him. That is why we are saying you come and run for hope. This birthday run, Jokobo Kodushu, New Berumajo Dushu, Petty Jomoro Kiken, Ame, Oyere, Otakobuni, one Kiken, Mano Berumega Ugandans Dushu. For every patriotic Uganda who believes in zero tolerance to corruption, you are invited. Who does not believe in nepotism, you are invited, because that is the key pillar of General Moses' leadership. Then allow me to extend a vote of thanks to first to Muhoozi for having organized this run, for the National Organizing Committee, and to all members of the patriotic officers, that is the POs, most especially my leader, PO number 15, Dr. Jane Ruth Achenguchero, for having bought all the kits we are going to use in Lira City, Pelaoni. So, kayini ibinu, yin kumbina bina, Mayas Garden. Gina wano ruhu ni dushu tieme nono. Pedo ki ngatora mako ni chulchen moro dan. Ka ngatora kobo ni chulchen, we are going to have staffs there. Please ensure you report. These things are for free. It is being sponsored by PO number 15, Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng, to support PO number 001 in the celebration of this birthday. Apo you Matek, may you have a good time.
Kilometers apart nang'wech endo nochako kachawa apara vie nushu modiku kara chiel kede aerobics your warm up, because in unja team sports before a team vigorous exercise kolero man me kilometer par mir kong leri beda metia bebe ngata metia sponsor ngin ber minister me yot kom so beda ko metukela wana poli kom so timo kilometers apart kuno yai Mayas Garden kutelo boyo Kampala Gulu Highway mono yo amebe nim cathedral lira cathedral St. Kizito tewo na ha ikona gapko dohomit tego ikone kanu te mako Juba Road do chien na ha ilana about mo uruba eka tego ikona do ping Soroti Road na hirana about me post office te mako do Bore Avenue kanu eno do chien na Mayas Garden dohote beauty ko kara chel kede cool down exercises. I'm a professional, and I am leading why here. Ubero cultural refreshment, pidana chela chel,
in terms of water and maybe any other needed assortments. And to encourage you, a chalo bed exercise. Yini ng'iyo komi keni ng'iyo level la yini ye. Mak chupa moro me pi. Ibin kere nye kodi ya tini kapu ni moro. Kai ticket health complication around the roaming wage. You can come and be with us and to pay forcing it so much. Kita makobi wukere komi to nyayo gino kena me onyo ramo bediti komi. Ran wani ubero ka chiel kede jo apol amero onyurumire gi oko. Uti ka chiel ke RDCs du chumelao. Amo confirming ubero gini ye. Ka chiel ke deputies gi kere assistants gi. Uti ka chiel kede members me UPDF ameti based kan gindu chukom gi aberetie. Uti ka chiel kede members me Uganda Police Force, ka chiel ke Uganda Prison Services. Uti ka chiel kede DEC, your district executive committees me NRM structures du chumelao. Uti ka chiel kede youth leaders, NYC, Youth League, Women's League, yo du chutie ame kom gitie do pir take a law amete yo muya. Meanwhile our joining and kan ka chiel kede members menu to chwak gi achalo group chat will among one Uganda Chamber of Commerce. I'm again fall into Entrepreneurs League, NRM. And one achalo NRM to the dual teach your dushu represented in our structures me party. I'm with a ngapo chat will which waka megin me government in cha dushu. Kala chel kele chwaka moto meyo General MK. I'm on a geek kuna kwa your dushu polero walk Luakwa Meli City, one of the host. Por la carga que no te atimere, ilao dushu one bedo at the center of it. I mean, yakua un Iraq Malera City, binu una bo, ruher como kai pashu, Jacobo Comoni, Giname, Atela wa PO015, Dr. Honorable Dr. Jane Ruth Chengu Cherowino. Caro can pay my ram. Bien, dunga jo, mira jo, dunga teha. So, kwa yani ruher kai pashu. I don't yini bino ni, ibino med mana mere wiye. In man and tie typical colors are yellow to white. We dang mirini. Natonyo Romo Binu. Piano better member me UPC. Bear me to Ruku yellow. It is okay. We have white for you. Baby the lure. I made to Ruku yellow. Maybe the UPC. It is okay. Over a lock party. Over a lock party. Mano better cape a good cause. Menwich be Johor Chunwak. Culture kere. Wishing a great birthday, 52nd birthday to our generation leader, General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. Atamone kadi horomo ruate uno kit pijo ame amito nyo pijo ame do nyurumir gi oko ubiro me you both groups apart. Which at will we have a contact person among you bore. Youth we have a contact person among you bore. RDCs then we have a contact person. LPG, you can come to the NRM office in senior quarters. Then you get your kit. Ite wori yo bere. Urero wate unu dihi karori. Apo yo mate. NRM oy.
Oye.
NRM oy.
Oye.
General MK oy.
Oye.
General MK oy.
Oye.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.